Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide apps and games on Samsung Galaxy M05 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you'll find all the options to customize and manage your device. Step 2. Once the settings, scroll down and locate the home screen and tap on it to access the settings related to how your home screen and app drawer look and function. Step 3. Now that you're in the home screen settings, locate the option Hide Apps or Hide Apps on Home and App screens. This is where you can choose which apps or games you want to make invisible on your phone. Tap on this option to open the list of all apps on your device. Step 4. To hide an app or a game, just tap on its icon. When selected, the app will appear at the top of the screen in the hidden section. You can select multiple apps or games at once if you want to hide more than one. Step 5. Now, the bottom of the screen and tap on the Done button. Once you do that, the selected apps will disappear from your home screen and app drawer. Don't worry, these apps are not deleted. They are just hidden and can be unhidden at any time using the same steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.